Hey guys, it's Mariam Florio, and today we're going to be looking at scheduling updates for Dynamics 365 and best practices for updating your system. So I'm logged into the Office portal right now, and I want to go to the Admin Center. So I'm going to scroll down until I see the admin symbol. If you don't see it, you probably don't have admin rights inside of Office 365, and you'll need to have someone that has them perform these actions. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And once I'm in the Admin Center, simply going to click on the Admin Center icon at the bottom and then select Dynamics 365. So once you have that selected, you'll be able to see all of your Dynamics 365 or CRM instances listed. On the second tab is where you'll see updates that are available. So as updates are available and released, you'll be able to see them under the status column. So I'll just pull that over, and you can see here there's no updates scheduled. And as I click on the different instances, you'd be able to see if there were any updates available. Now, because there aren't any updates available, we won't be scheduling any. However, if you had an update available, you'd simply be able to select the instance and then schedule the update. So best practices are the next thing to talk about. I recommend that you perform an update on your sandbox before you update it on production. So what that means is your sandbox environment or your non-live environment of CRM should be updated first. Just in case the update has any negative impact on your live system, you want to make sure you perform that update against your sandbox first. So I would schedule that for any day of the week. Since it's just your sandbox, it's really not that crucial that you pick a weekend or off time to perform the update. Once you perform the update on your sandbox environment, you're going to want a superset of users, or at least a couple of users that know the system well, go through and make sure that everything feels and looks the way it should. So you're not missing any data, any customizations or enhancements that you've added are still there, and everything looks like it's good to go on production. The next step would be to schedule your update on your production environment. Because we have a lot of data in our production environments and you might not be sure exactly how long the update will take, I recommend applying the update on a weekend. Now keep in mind that if your backups that are nightly aren't scheduled until after the update, you might want to take a manual backup. You can click on the link to look at our video on how to make a backup of CRM and go through those actions. Once your backup is performed or the automatic nightly backup is performed, you would have your update scheduled. And then again, you do want to make sure that the data looks okay. So let's say you schedule this update for late Friday night or early Saturday morning on a weekend. Somebody should probably go through on Sunday, make sure everything looks okay, just in case you need to go back and restore to an instance prior to the backup or your point of the backup that you made manually before. Hopefully this was helpful. Join me next time for more tips and tricks on Dynamics 365. Bye.